How's it going here at Nomad Mobile Maintenance? Today we're working on a 2007 Ford Edge, and we have a few lights on the dash, a little bit of a Christmas tree, and we'll get to that in just a second. Currently we're dealing with the Misfire that we've got going on there, and you can see cylinder number 5 is way down. Now we started with cylinder number 1 was a Misfire, and then what we did is we took cylinder number 1 coil and put it on cylinder number 4, and then we put spark plug number 1 on cylinder number 6. And when we did that, we had cylinder number 4 and cylinder number 6 just absolutely tanked down, and both those cylinders were not responding. So I said, what is the chances we have a bad spark plug and a bad coil? So I said, you know what, let's put both of those on cylinder number 5. So now cylinder number 4 has a good coil, cylinder number 6 has a good spark plug, and cylinder number 5 has a bad coil and plug. I've been doing this a long time, and I've never seen both spark plug and coil on the same cylinder go out. I mean, not necessarily the same time, but it doesn't happen that often. We can see a little bit out of cylinder number 4's dropping, but honestly, because 4 and 5 are adjacent, there's a chance that it's, not thrilled about that. So I think we're going to have to get that plug and that coil replaced, and there's a few other things that we're going to check out, but that's definitely one of the first places to start for this Misfire. Thanks so much for joining us.